how to give a yoni massage. I'm going to give you 7 steps today to succeed in this beautiful practice. What is yoni? Yoni in Sanskrit literally means women's genitalia, that encompasses other meanings like the womb, the source, or the sacred space. Yoni massage is a beautiful Asian practice that comes from tantric tradition. It can be a beautiful form of foreplay, or it can be a practice on its own, and it doesn't have to lead to sex. Yoni massage is great for every woman to make a deeper connection with her, but especially for women who are pregnant, for example, or who have given birth, or for women who experience sexual trauma or any kind of trauma, because really any kind of trauma comes through your sexuality. It's a very potent way to help her heal, and unfortunately a lot of us have experienced sexual trauma. Another great benefit for practicing this massage is that we women don't necessarily orgasm every time we have sex. And the reason to that is because more often than not, we are penetrated prematurely. It takes about 25 to 45 minutes to actually work a woman up, especially in a long-term relationship. So how to actually know when she's ready to receive you? Watch my video right here. Number 1, physical sign to surely tell when a woman is ready to have sex with you. So what is a yoni massage? Yoni massage, when a partner massages his woman's internal and external parts of yoni. The external parts called vulva, that includes clitoris, internal and external labia, labia majora and labia minora, also pubic mount or mount of Venus, and then internal part called vagina. Besides yoni massage being a physical practice, it is an opportunity for you to practice presence. And if you do this massage from the place of love, compassion, and intense presence, it will do wonders. It will truly help her heal, and it will help you to establish deeper levels of intimacy with her. My name is Katya Zar. If you wish to learn more about intimacy, healthy relationship, passionate sex, subscribe to my channel, hit that like and notification bell, and let's dive in. Step number 1, please trim your nails and wash your hands. If you have sharp edges on your nails, you can cut her inside and you can get her infected. Trust me, it happens. This is not pleasant. Just do it, please. Number 2, have a conversation with her about it. She might never even heard of such practice. Tell her something like, I would love to give you this beautiful practice tonight. It will all be about you. And it's very important here to drop the goal and the agenda for yourself, right? Because a lot of men do things for women to get things, right? To get sex. The minute you place yourself in that space where you're giving it for the sake of giving, you will be surprised. You will receive and see wonders, how the woman reacts to you and how she opens up to you. Discuss about limitations. Is she open to have sex after? Could you enter her vagina, or should you just stay on the outside tonight? And remember, don't put pressure on her to have pleasure. It's a very vulnerable space to be, especially if she's never gotten a yoni massage. She might be experiencing pain. She might be experiencing some emotional release. Let her know, assure her that whatever she's feeling is all fine, it's all normal, it's all welcome. The point is here for her to be free with her emotions. We hold a lot of pain in our vaginal area, and by pressing certain pressure point, it can trigger her to release that negative emotion. You can also ask her if she'd like for you to use a body-friendly oil or not. It's all up to your individual preference. Number 3, sit across each other for a moment and eye gaze, and then start syncing your breathing. Inhaling together and exhaling together. Do it for as long as you want, but do it at least for 1 minute or 2 or 3. And like I said, if you need to take 10-15 minutes, that's wonderful. Number 4, then she's going to lie down on her back, and you're going to start massaging her from the periphery, right? It can be her feet, it can be her stomach, or it can be her breasts. To incorporate breast massage into this practice is a wonderful thing. To learn how to do breast massage and vulva massage together, I created this free step-by-step guide. You can find it in the link down below. Important note here, never go for the vulva, for the yoni, right away. It can be startling and very unpleasant. Warm her up, start with the periphery. Number 5, start by cupping her vulva with your palm over her vaginal opening and your fingers up towards her clitoris. Don't push hard, light but firm. You are creating a nice flow of pressure here. You're activating her vulva. No abrupt movements here. Slow, light but firm. Then slowly lift your hand away. Think how sensitive your testicles are. Number 6, now she's ready for the yoni massage. So here you have a full array of choices of movements. You can cup the top of her clitoris with your palm and do slow circular movements. With the other hand, you can place your thumb or your index finger, if she wants maybe 2 fingers, just at the entrance of the vaginal canal. And you can move it also in the same direction or the opposite direction. You can use sweeping motions. Here you're going on the discovery. Pay attention how she responds to those strokes. Some women are shy and they're afraid to express themselves, so don't hesitate to ask them, how does this feel? Is this feeling good? Okay, do you want me to let go of pressure and to add some pressure? You can also include her perineum and anus. And please know, you don't have to do everything in one session. You can just do a little part today and then massage her anus the other day, or if that feels natural, you can include everything in one session if you wish, and that'll be a longer session, like an hour or so. To learn more about different strokes, go ahead and download my free guide to vulva massage. You'll find the link in the description below. Number 7, when she's plump and ready, you either can move on into intercourse or into the De-Armouring session. When you place your finger inside of her vagina and you tap and hold certain pressure points to release that pain and pressure that she may be carrying, and a lot of us do. It will help her heal and drop into deeper states of pleasure. To learn more about De-Armouring, watch my video on De-Armouring. Thank you for being here. Again, my name is Katya Zar. Like this video if you like it, share it with anyone who needs it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.